Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. I received a package today from my buddy Dave Parker. He's become like a Patreon of my channel because he's sent me kits in the past as well. I still have to get to them. I do intend to get to them very shortly, but we spoke about a buddy build, so I figured I'd open this with you guys so you can feel the surprise. I am sure I know what this is because we did speak about a buddy build. So let's see if I can open this with one hand. I just have to speak in detail when he wants to start it. This kit arrived in a great time because I'm in between kits right now, and I was torn between starting a new kit or just refurbishing a plain kit from storage. Supposedly he has two of these kits, so it should be a good buddy build. It is the Intruder. Excellent by Hasegawa. I'm excited to start this kit. It's a 1/72 scale, so it's going to be very manageable because of the size. This distributed by Minicraft. Let's see if there's a year on it. Manufactured in Japan. Distributed from California. Ooh, a vintage price tag. These are other kits that are available. No year. Well, since we have it here, let's take a look at it. It's still sealed in the inside. Wonder if there's any year in here. Very exciting kit. I've never built the Intruder, and I remember watching Flight of the Intruder. These bomber planes are unarmed, so definitely need guts to fly this low level into enemy territory. So this came at a very good time because I'm actually just about to start a new kit, and the 1/72 makes this very manageable, so I think I may start this kit next. I like the markings, and it's one bag, so it should be simple to paint. So that's the story with that. So thanks a lot, Dave. I will be in contact with you as far as when you want to start it, or I may start it ahead of you and then just wait for your progress before I post it, or maybe if you send me the pics, I'll post it together. So thank you, David, for the kit. I think I'm definitely going to start this first. So see you guys soon. Thanks.